Find the equation of the line that passes through the origin and it divides the line ax plus by plus c equals to 0 such that it bisects the segment intercepted between the coordinate axes. Let's try to understand the problem graphically. So here we will begin by considering the xy coordinate plane. So here we have the xy plane and we have the line with the equation ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Now clearly this line intersects the x-axis at the point A and the y-axis at the point B. So what we'll have to do is we have to find out the equation of another line. So this an equation of another line which is going to pass through the origin and it is going to bisect the line segment AB. So let us suppose that the line L1 passes through the origin and it is going to bisect AB, and let's say it bisects it at the point C. So our goal will be to determine the equation of the line L1. So our first task will be to determine the coordinates of point A and point B. Okay, let's start by considering the given equation of the line. So here we have ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So what we'll do, we'll keep the first two terms on the left hand side but transpose the third term to the right hand side to get negative c. Let's divide both sides with negative c. We're going to get ax over negative c added to by over negative c. This is going to be equals to 1. Now furthermore we can rewrite it as x divided by negative c over a added to y divided by negative c over b. This will be equals to 1. So what we'll do, we're going to compare it with the intercept form of the line. So comparing 1. So let this be equation number 1. So comparing 1 with x over a added to y over b equals to 1. This is the intercept form of a line. So we are going to get, we get a equals to negative c over a and b equals to negative c over b. In other words, what we are saying here is that the x-intercept value, because a corresponds to the x-intercept, so let's note it down, the x-intercept value comes out to be negative c over a, and the y-intercept value, so that's going to be negative c over b. So we have the b representing the y-intercept value. Now that we have the x-intercept and the y-intercept, we can define the coordinates of point A. So coordinates, there's a slight mistake. So let's do one thing. Let's call it A prime and B prime to avoid any confusion. So coordinates of A prime. So that's simply going to be, you take the x-intercept value. So that's negative c over A, comma 0. There will be no y coordinate value. And then we need the coordinates of b prime. So coordinates of b prime, that is going to be 0 comma the y-intercept, so that's negative c over b. Fine. Now what we'll do here, we will now find the coordinates of point C now that we have the coordinates of a prime and b prime. So here we can use the fact that since C is the midpoint, midpoint of the line segment AB, so we can easily define the coordinates of point C. So coordinates of the point C will be, this is going to be simply, we sum up the x coordinate of the endpoints and divide it by 2. So that's going to give us negative c over 2a, and the y coordinate will be simply sum of the y coordinates of the endpoints and divided by 2. We're going to get negative c over 2b. Fine. So now we have the coordinates of point C as well. Now the advantage of finding out the coordinates of point C is because we have the coordinates of the origin through which the line L1 passes, we can use the 2-point form to obtain the equation of line L1. So equation of L1, so we're going to take the 2-point form. So we have the origin with coordinates 0, 0, and we have the coordinate of point C, which we obtain is negative c over 2a, negative c over 2b. So we have y minus y1 equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 whole multiplied to x minus x1. This is the 2-point form of a line, the 2-point form of the straight line. So let's plug in our value. We'll assume a 0, 0, the origin to coincide with x1, y1, and the coordinates of point C to coincide with x2, y2. That's going to give us y minus 0. That is going to be equals to negative c over 2b divided by negative c over 2a whole multiplied to x minus 0. Further simplification is going to give us y equals to a over b multiplied to x. Or we can say ax equals to by. So thus ax equals to by is the equation. This is the equation of L1.